Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition and health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty, so Allah give you more healthy life, successful life and happy life. And please yours also pray for me. I hope you're getting my latest video. So guys, the wait is over. Today I bring some special beautiful crochet dishcloth free ideas. Beautiful kitchen ideas. So please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade knitting variety, beautiful grand scale pattern, and different designing, different ideas, mind-blowing pattern. Some are light color, dark color, color contrast, plain color ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors, handmade knitting variety, most demanding collection. Follow my channel, press the bell icon. Beautiful ideas, beautiful designing, and you can see almost 40 plus images in this video of crochet dishcloth pattern. You can see many more ideas about crochet in my channel, like crochet dresses, crochet fingerless glove design, bracelet, handbags, and different dresses, amigurumi pattern, cat bed, dog sweater. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye. And please pray for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Goodbye viewers.